welcome back everybody for another episode. New ride in 2022. I think this year is going to be a good year, especially for biking. There's so many places I want to go, so many things I want to do. I'm going to tick them all off this year, for definite. Let's just get in there, shall we, and have a go. Well, that went fucking brilliant. Woo! That's fucking boggy. Get on it! Second gear. Watch out, Kyle. Oh god. Sorry, I'm gonna move. Fuck that. Oh, what am I doing? I'm in the worst place. Oh, lovely. Oh god. Oh, you bastard. You bastard. Gary, you're gonna get fucked there. I'd move up to the side. Oh, there we go, mate. It is one of them things.
I can't play with the clutch like you boys can.
Oh, mate, I wouldn't even bother. I wouldn't pull it in until you got over it all. I went, wee, until I got over everything, and then I'd put the clutch in.
Yeah.
Just like that. Oh, I love the woods. I love the woods. Absolutely love it. Fuck me! Right, let's go.
Here we go again.
And he's stuck already, he's not even left. Oh, it's like a slush fish. Whoa! Oh god, keep bouncing! Keep bouncing! Yeah, boy! That's it! Almost.
Back and hit the whole section again.
Come on, you do it.
Turn your heater grips off then. Oh, he just needs my long legs, innit? That's all it is. want to just borrow my legs?
You're heavy as well, so you put in the pocket.
Not you're heavier than me, you fat fuck.
I'm on 8 stone. 8 stone.
He's lying, mate.
8 stone.
Go up that way. We'll go around down the side of that tree, around the back of it, up and then straight up. There.
Go through there, past that tree.
Oh, just go up through the woods.
Yeah.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Flatter then, isn't it?
Go on then. Oh God. He doesn't know where he's going. Definitely got stuck in a bog. Oh. Yeah, I think we go down now. Or is that it there? Down this, go down that way.
Go that way, I'll go that way, innit?
Yeah, I'd go stay to the right and go down that way.
Yeah, fuck going around there.
Oh, I love getting lost in the woods. Just making trails. We don't know where we're going. This is the fun bit though. Just making it up as you go along. I don't know why I'm following Craig. He has a worse sense of direction. Oh, Craig, you got to be done. We need to go up. That's the one that we were looking at. We need to go up.
We'll go over there.
Oh, maybe. Just get past the end of it, it's just there. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Just like that, boys. And we're out. Oh, this thing's absolutely bog-again. We just send it. Woo! Oh, it stinks. It's stinky, stinky, that is. Oh, it's gone down my boot. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's absolute shit-again. Shit-again. Oh God. I don't know about that. Oh, we've got like a creek. Yeah, there's a little creek. Here looks like the only place really. No, we'll find a way out.
3 o'clock has turned into 7 o'clock.
Turned into Lost in the Woods for life. Turned in, did you bring your camping gear?
Hey, we'll get at the bottom of the top.
Don't do that. Bastard. Easy as that, boys. Huh? I know roughly where I'm going. Down this way then. Touch and go then. I thought we were lost for a minute, but we made it out. Oh, I love the adventure of that. It's not doing. Are you going to make it out alive or not? Oh my god, more branches.